What's up, people? Today we're going to be making slime, and what you're gonna need is something to mix in, something to mix with, and you're gonna need Suave Kids 3-in-1, and any other kind of body wash, shampoo. So we have Tresemme, and so this is the result of what we just made. We just made this, and this is our result. Let me pull it out for you guys. Okay, so this is the result for it. It's fun, and it might be a little bit sticky, but all you have to do is add more salt and put it in the freezer for just keep adding minutes, and it'll get perfect. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna be making today. So without further ado, let's get onto the video. Okay, so you're gonna get your plate or your bowl or your cup.
And we got some.
Okay, then you're gonna get your Suave.
Suave.
You're gonna open it up.
Open it. No, I did. You don't need to open it up.
You just pump? Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
you just like that.
Okay, so
let
me give you some pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I gave 6 pumps, and now I'm gonna get one little squeeze of Tresemme. Okay. Then I'm gonna add 3 more pumps, or 2. 1, 2. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my mixing tool, and this is what it should look like, unless you're using a different soap. Okay. Then I'm just gonna give it a real good quick mix, and you could see this is why you need this kind. It's so thick that it already like.
Oh, you need a spoon.
You don't need the spoon. You just need a mixing tool. See, I can already see it like getting thicker as I'm mixing. Alright guys, well, we forgot one thing, so we're just gonna pause it real quick and go get the salt, because you are gonna need some salt. Alright guys, we're back with salt. Whoa. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your salt. Whoa, as you mix it, it already looks like slime. That's how you'll know that it's working. You're gonna put like a sprinkle or a finger bit, and you're just gonna mix it up. See, you can see it just forming already. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna give that a good mix, and it'll start getting like slimed. Like you'll see it like coming. Like, I just can't believe that this works.
Yeah.
You guys, please like, subscribe, and comment down below any other videos you want me to do, because this really works. Like, I watched a lot of videos of slime, and like, it doesn't work. Like, their videos, I copy them, they don't work. But this one really works. So that's how it's gonna look. It's already gonna be slimed, basically. Okay, you're gonna add another sprinkle of salt if you want to. Touch it.
This one.
Okay. You're gonna stir that up. Stir that up more. Whoa, look at it. It's already basically slime. But you can't play with it until you add it into the freezer.